Imagine boosting your event registrants by 800% in just 1 year. Meet Laura Parra, Brevo's talented field marketing specialist. She embraced Livestorm to achieve remarkable results for her team. Brevo, founded in 2012, evolved from an email marketing platform to an all-in-one solution. Today, it supports over 300,000 businesses across 160 countries, helping them build valuable customer relationships. Laura's mission focuses on promoting Brevo's enterprise solutions and enhancing the company's branding. Collaborating closely with the sales team, she aims for higher engagement and better qualified leads. With $160 million in Series B funding, Brevo accelerated its international growth, especially in the US market. They also aimed to create meaningful connections without any friction, ensuring engagement across different time zones and languages. To reach this goal, Laura decided on digital events. Livestorm offered the ideal automation and engagement features for these initiatives. The platform was already part of Brevo's marketing stack, enabling Laura to dive right in. Livestorm automates video starts and ends, saving time and effort. The powerful data visualization feature provides valuable insights into attendee interactions. Custom branding keeps all materials cohesive and on brand, enhancing the overall experience. Laura capitalized on Livestorm for 3 main use cases. 1. Deep dive webinars featuring expert insights on key topics. 2. Co-marketing events with clients and partnerships. 3. Automated virtual tours with engaging pre-recorded videos. The virtual tour webinars are crucial for the sales team's interactions with leads. Each session features a demo followed by a live Q&A, engaging customers at a critical point in their journey. After a year of utilizing Livestorm, results surged. Brevo saw an 800% increase in monthly registrants, along with impressive attendance rates of 45%. The increased engagement translated into higher conversion rates for the sales team. Laura confirmed their strategy's effectiveness, stating that 1,800 registrants attended their automated webinars monthly, compared to just 200 previously. The attendees demonstrated high involvement, with the best webinars exceeding the planned time due to ongoing questions. Livestorm didn't just elevate Brevo's metrics, it also optimized workflows. Laura enjoyed the seamless automation, which required only initial setup. Meetings continue to run smoothly while she focuses on other priorities. Looking ahead, Laura plans to keep Livestorm as a staple in their marketing strategy. She recommends it for video engagement, praising its intuitive interface and reliability over the past year. Ready to achieve similar results? Create your free account on Livestorm today. With just a few minutes, you can start crafting engaging webinars and meetings that resonate with your audience.